Hey, Eddie. Just how do we cry? Oh, Emma, Titru Africa, ma, Yankee, same saying ye. Huh? Wo ba koye pe say pe. Yes, we are taboo. I don't know koye. Then you be a society. Sorry, baby, ebusiafo left, right, center. Ni esi so. Be ma de chese onu de. We allowed. Be ma de otimi oko fa. Minim sister bi e kan asem na sen ya kire me. Say bi beto me. Ana sister no so no ade edi asem ana. Se ni kun akotena America 10 years. Woko do ya wo say eye afia wo betimi aware afia betimi aware chese me de na na ma wo betimi aware no na mma ye ntia yes entina me friend na won fe ya won pick me call ya wa de bia so na phone na dum yi yey asemi de abombu so hey
Madam, me chiawo.
Me joso.
Madam na hey.
Oh, me train. Me business partners bina. Ama me dia.
Madam mahubala.
Hey, AJ, baby she oh. Me pacho. Me jam me tesu say no. Enya ne wo me madam mahubala.
Anyway, meet my madam. She's authentic. She's my satellite. Everywhere I go, this woman there, she go follow me, come there. This one that she's sitting there, no says to spy me. But anyway, that's good. She's my guardian angel. Madam, meet Baba Tunde.
Good to meet you.
Hey, hello.
Nigeria ni ala teni eja me pesa me hu na kakra.
Hey, AJ wedru achiro.
Me hu na kakra.
Omo Nigeria wedru. Anyway, you know what? She's a very nice girl.
And I like her so much.
Very responsible. Loyal.
She's hot.
Very, very, very
hot.
Good. Oh, as for the hotness there, it's obvious. She's very good. She
really?
Doesn't tell lies.
Really?
Oh yeah, she's very loyal.
I like that.
She's very punctual.
I like that.
She's been giving me all
when she owes people, she pays on time.
And you know what? You will talk to her because I like her so much. If possibly, I would like to marry her.
You need to. You need to marry her. You need to marry her.
She's
okay?
a beautiful woman.
Yes. You spend on her. Spend money on her.
I'll try my best.
She's pretty.
I'll try my best.
You know how Ghanaian girls are, yeah? Everything is on point.
Ghana Jollof.
Ghana Jollof. Ghana Jollof, Papapapa. Ubedia we and one who say Nigeria the na ye ni ochre.
Madam, it's no dear. Me pesa me hu no kakra.
All right.
Na me betwe me fees. I told you not to touch me.
Okay, so AJ ya gugu huma mema me kakra. Okay, so the name is
I'm Baba
today.
It's good to meet you.
Okay.
You look good.
Thank you, Baba today. Okay.
Right. I'll take care of it for you.
Oh, please do. Please take very good care of her. AJ. If I will call be me from me sardine. Le party. You want time bomb wa me teswa. Me teswa hano. Be jina ha me ye me. Gomo shone Baba today ni nasefo. Mommy point to cram you am abetua na e wa ha so. Baba today. Well some more. Baba. Oh yeah, please excuse me 1 minute. Yes. Okay. Baba.
Madam, I never expected you to be here now. I thought you'd be gone by now. So that's why I took a pass here now.
You don't know, eh? Something kept me here. Something. My life is at stake now.
I never expected to see you.
So you know what? Just take care of her. Absolute care.
Let me talk to
Anything
her too.
I just wanted to, add more, vibes. So that you take very good care of her.
Let me talk to her. She doesn't even allow me to touch her. She's very expensive. At least she's a beautiful woman.
Why?
She touches her
expensive.
Sometimes.
She said, what is she?
She said touching is 20,000.
Oh, really? I see. AJ,
only touching like this.
School, so Tiana went to Yaka.
Okay.
Touch
me a bit.
No, go like this.
Baba.
All right.
Okay.
I'll take care of it.
Yeah.
When I want to hear you.
Oh, ni ochre.
All right.
Okay, Baba, bye-bye.
Let's go.
Kwesi, jira hasi. Me yire pa so wo fufu. Na akwa we or had you be a so
Wakwana, me a few and Tikasi fever.
Out of rock.
Oh,
I will you feel that.
oh, and on the how no
For some corner, I was in far where you look at that. Now, don't me able to pull why. I will get you say about. Wait to make it.
But anyway, say her, shock be putting a cassas and I know who is that.
Eh, the brown chap on. Ah, now what happened to was in Antia? I tell you an uncle Baba. What was the first year?
Who bet me up for that one? Never be dinner. Me no be any as fine.
I was saying a wolf. Wouldn't we answer? I for you to crack off. Got up and you be my.
Oh, permit to Mama.
Got up for bread.
Hey, Auntie.
Hey! My George,
What is it?
now what you happy?
My behind I am.
Dabeni.
Oh, Frau, what is that? What is that?
On one.
Damn it, Slim.
Me behind my boyfriend.
Can't I so above a video to Minka? I will have video above
Boko dear. Bibia, come on. Uji dipa. Pa? I didn't know because Mammy Bra, met me new wedding for Maka. Saying how Mammy can't show me baby and so mean you. Mammy, Minnie, member, why? Hey, Papa didn't so who ya you will be as you. And she would, Debbie,
oh, Frau, oh,
Bra, sister, Bramin,
okay, say, who I know a Jalaba.